Y'all didn't hear that. Yo, thank y'all for staying tuned in to Surround Sound. My surrounding area to your surrounding area. Coming in at your number 5 spot. Royal Chief. All that.
I had to fall back. Couldn't even get a call back. Nowadays when they call back, tell them I'ma need all that. And then some, double back for that income, double back on her Insta. Shorty bad, I might hit some, shorty bad, I might trick some. Couple racks, I might give some, couple blacks, I'm trying to win some. Nigga taking losses, how wins come. Ice drip on my jersey, got some women so curvy. Shout them bitches that curve me, them same bitches be thirsty. That boss talk got them pissed off, ass backwards like crisscross. I was down playing my shit, dawg, now we counting down to that lift off. They giving me love in the town, you think that I play for the cheese? I be so in tune with the sound, you think I was making a beast? Them niggas wonder why they fail, but this shit the perfect example. I pick up the bag in the mail, you waiting for niggas to stamp you, waiting for niggas to give you recognition for shit you ain't been through. Y'all be doing whatever the trends do, I be doing the shit you pretend to. Pack it in, I just packed out the venue, pack a lunch, put your name on the menu. They say chiefy, they know you will send you. Ain't no cap, I just rap like a Hindu. Dawg, nigga, y'all whack, crab niggas on my ball sack. Shame niggas turned y'all back, then you lame niggas turned y'all backs. I had to fall back, couldn't even get a call back. Nowadays when they call back, Lori Beth, I need all that. I've been putting in work, I've been getting to the work, and they may never see. Most of you people never see. I got it from the dirt, you know I got it from the dirt, but never on my knees. Ain't gotta get it on my knees. I've been through the worst, niggas put me through the worst. My niggas ain't believe, I know you niggas ain't believe. I had to fall back, couldn't even get a call back. Nowadays when they call back, tell them I'ma need all that.
Hey, tell a bitch I'm gon' fall back. You the type to go beef with her, then wonder why she don't call back. I've been missing all the days when I was fresh in and I love rap. Out of contact with the bullshit, been a gym rat. If he really like me, then he'll make something out of no chance. If you tryna go to 10, gotta lock in, come with a game plan. It was days when I ain't even know who the bros is, but I'm chosen, and I'm hoping you can see the gold in me. I'm fucking it up, she wanna see what I'm doing. I'm healing myself in the cut, I still get a rush. I got off the stage and told my little baby to fill in my pulse. I bleed results, and I'm in the gang, I'm dying for this, like we in the cult. They feeling the weight, cause me and the Chiefs done got off the mud. Ay.
I've been putting in work, I've been getting to the work, and they may never see. Most of you people never see. I got it from the dirt, you know I got it from the dirt, but never on my knees. Ain't gotta get it on my knees. I've been through the worst, niggas put me through the worst. My niggas ain't believe, I know you niggas ain't believe. I had to fall back, couldn't even get a call back. Nowadays when they call back, tell them I'ma need all that.
Yo, hey, that video was tough, wasn't it? You can't tell me what, no. The Good Burger idea? It was pretty hard, though. But we ain't done, yo. Coming in at your number 4 spot, Carlton Rashad. I personally know this man, bro. He's a genius when it comes to music, man. Love this guy. Number 4, Love You.
Problems, so many problems. From fighting and cussing, all night fussing. Supposed to be loving, instead there's no touches and kisses ceased. interest decreased. Our sweet conversations about everything and anything seem distant as memories now. This ain't us, baby. This ain't it, baby. Let's figure this out. I just wanna love you, baby. I just wanna be loved by you. And it's true that everybody goes through things, but everybody ain't me and you. All I wanna do is love you. I remember the look in your eyes when you thought it was goodbye. It stays on my mind, yeah. We were so messed up, feeling the pressure. Will it get better? Can we get this together? No matter the weather, I would rather stick by you, 'cause I can't stand to be with anybody else. I want you. No. We cannot give up, can't give up on love. Whoa, I just wanna love you, baby. I just wanna be loved by you. And it's true that everybody goes through things. Oh, but everybody ain't me and you. All I wanna do is love you. And you love me too. It's what we gotta do, me and you. Oh. And you love me too. It's what we gotta do. Oh, 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 oh. I just wanna love you, baby. I just wanna be loved by you. And it's true that everybody goes through things, but everybody ain't me and you. No, no. All I wanna do is love you. I just wanna love you, baby. Wanna love you. Oh, oh, oh. Wanna love you, yeah. I just wanna love you, baby. Oh, 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 yeah.
What's up, y'all? Gotta go pay some bills, so I hope y'all stay tuned. I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere.
Don't have the money to get through your week? Don't have the power to get through your week? Try Hump and Peel 1500. Folks, as Peach just said it, this stuff works. We're going to take you to now the Hump and Peel Live. Yeah.
I need to not do that.
Oh. Sorry.
It's time for another good idea, bad idea. Good idea.
Taking a classy lady to a fancy restaurant.
Masters in biology. So that was one.
How you guys doing today?
Hello there.
Hey.
To have caviar.
Okay.
And I would like to have a glass of Cabernet as well.
Bad idea.
Taking a hood rat to a fancy restaurant.
You don't see we having a conversation. So you know they took my section at. Talk about cause I had Shaniqua and them living with me. Croissant.
Yes.
We ready to place our orders. I want a root beer float. Oh, and you know it's real good with the chicken rotel. Y'all got some chicken rotel? You know the hamburger meat with on the bun with the sandwich meal in it. You ain't. Hey, that's my jam right there. Remember we used to kick it like that at the party house? Hey. This ain't nobody but Shaniqua now. We going out too. It's my plug right here. Cabinet Saigon. See it? Cabinet Saigon.
This is going to be the Cabernet Sauvignon.
Yes, no, it's not. It's gonna be the Cabinet Saigon. That's what it says on the paper. Thank you. You want one?
Sure.
Thank you.
It's time for another good idea, bad idea. Good idea.
Buying a computer from Dell.
Yes, I'm here to pick up my computer.
Oh, the Dell?
Yep.
The Dell. Yep. Here you go, man.
Well, thank you very much.
Bad idea.
Buying a computer from a crackhead named Dell.
Hey, excuse me, brother. Hey, brother. What's up, man? My name's Dale. You interested in buying a computer? Talk about cause I had Shaniqua and them living with me.
Hi, I'm here to pick up my Dell.
Oh, yes. We have that for you. Right after we party!
What it does? Oh, shit!
Coming in at your number 3 spot, Jordan Baumstark. Bop Bop. Check him out.
It's your girlfriend's favorite artist. She don't even like my music, just remember me from parties. I'll be honest, don't go make that hoe no promise, cause you still don't know these bitches, that's just not in your department. It's alarming, now you flexing, it just might not be the smartest, when these fools already know I don't ever miss my target. Check the market, check the stock, nah, that boy don't ever miss. Feeling like I'm Barry Bonds, I got the juice producing hits, bitch. Whole crew rolling up deep, feeling like I never get sleep. Nah, I don't really fuck with these lames, all of y'all shit sound weak, bruh. Yeah, talk my shit, always get stares when I'm walking in. Might just see me on the scene, feeling like Christopher Walken, bitch. I'm back again, gotta make a move, they tapping me, they tapping me. What's happening? Gotta get a bag, I'm cashing the bag, I'm cashing. I'm back again, gotta make a move, they tapping me, they tapping me. What's happening? Gotta get a bag, I'm cashing the bag, I'm cashing. Let's get stupid, let's not make this shit confusing. I'm just chilling in the cut, chopping up that 80s music. Let's go cruising, I'm a nuisance, making fun of these fools losing. It's just all a game to me, cause they still watching every movement. Whole crew rolling up deep, feeling like I never get sleep. Nah, I don't really fuck with these lames. All of y'all shit sound weak, bruh. Yeah, talk my shit. Always get stares when I'm walking in. Might just see me on the scene.
Feeling like Christopher Walken, bitch.
I'm back again. Gotta make a move. They tapping me. They tapping me. What's happening? Gotta get it back. I'm cashing it back. I'm cashing it back. I'm back again. Gotta make a move. They tapping me. They tapping me. What's happening? Gotta get it back. I'm cashing it back. I'm cashing it back. I'm cashing it back.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? You chuck it on that one, you chuck it on this one, you chuck it on your mother and you chuck it on your father, you chuck it on your brother and you chuck it on your sister, you chuck it on that one and you chuck it on me. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Nobody now give you no break. Police now give you no break. That old soldier man I give you no break. Not even your eyes now give you no breaks. Hey, hey, bad boys, what you gonna do? What you
Watch out! You might get what you're after. Cool ladies, strange but not a stranger. I'm an ordinary guy, burning down the house. Hold tight, wait till the party's over. Hold tight, we're in for nasty weather. There has got to be a way, burning down the house. It's a quick pack your bags, time for jumping overboard. Transportation is here. Bouncing up but not too far. Maybe you know where you are. Fighting fire with fire. 365 degrees, burning down the house. It was once a fun place, sometimes
I can't just introduce the number 2 spot without like personally telling y'all, like how much I know this man. Like more than on a friend level, I know him like as a family member. Like personally grew up with this man. Like I got to see this man grow as an artist, and for me it was an amazing experience, and I appreciate it. Coming in at your number 2 spot, Kujo Ken, want some more.
We back. But you already know that. But you already. Yeah. We kept a rich mindset, though we never had much. Wasn't taught to save nothing, but our morals added up. Thankful for my granny and them, taught us how to live and love. Taught us how to stand tall, niggas never giving up. Learn to lead for ourselves before we started clicking up. Learn to shoot that 22 before we kept that semi-tuck. Had to do the gold nugget before we got them princess cuts. Had to learn to understand, but still don't get no fuck. Kicks is hella clean now, hard not to get them scuffed. Mama's always at work. Hard for us to keep in touch, it's hard. Raising two boys, we could never eat enough. I had to tip my hat to her, never feel that feeding us survival. Yeah, okay, where I come from, it's obvious. You take the stairs, you gotta walk before you run. My patience ain't worth shit, but my tolerance is on 10. That damn shit I can never comprehend. Stress no more, I know my big dog got me. Perseverance and love, that's what keep us grinding. Head stay on the swivel, money stay on my mental. And getting active, nigga, never been the issue, yeah. I put my hands together, thank the man for what's all on the floor. It's all on the yeah, we blessed to have a lot, yeah. But we still want some more, yeah, we still want some more. No static, fix my antenna, clear vision. I can't get caught up in that blender, never surrender. Blessings waiting on a nigga like a pension. With this pen pimpin', boots laced tight. Ayy, game so not told. Said we never did yoga, we was taught not to fold. Okay, tell me when to stop, cause I already go. Realness was bestowed, but you already know. Yeah, we keep faith in God, and we forever grind. Certified and anointed at the same time. Yeah, I'm an angel in the gang, still in the same mind. Said I'ma get it always, staying on my grind. Ride around with the windows down, blowing on that killer. Still flexing on that opposition. They know we some real niggas, yeah, I ain't living by that business, that for sure, good. So we gon' get to it. Hold up, we don't stress no more. I know my big dog got me. Perseverance and love, that's what keep us grinding. Head stay on the swivel, money stay on my mental. And getting active, nigga, never been the issue, yeah. I put my hands together, thank the man for what's all on the floor. It's all on the yeah, we blessed to have a lot, yeah. But we still want some more, yeah, we still want some more. We don't stress no more. I know my big dog got me. Perseverance and love, that's what keep us grinding. Head stay on the swivel, money stay on my mental. And getting active, nigga, never been the issue, yeah. I put my hands together, thank the man for what's all on the floor. It's all on the yeah, we blessed to have a lot, yeah. But we still want some more, yeah, we still want some more. We don't stress no more. I know my big dog got perseverance and love, that's what keep us. Yeah, stay on the mind, stay on the and get active, nigga, active, been the yeah, cause it's all on the floor. Okay, blessed to have a lot right now. We still want some yeah.
What's up, y'all? I think y'all was staying tuned in, but we ain't done yet. Coming in at your #1 spot, Love Mae C. Dive in. Don't forget to stay tuned in next week where we keep this going. Thank y'all.
So weak. You make me feel so sweet. How you make me feel this way. Then watch me melt away. Yeah, 5 in the morning, just the crack of dawn. The sun is almost up, gonna take too long. We like 2 shots of Crown, smoking on the wallet. I hope this don't go down in I be